It is 4 a.m. The world is silent. For most of us, this quiet is quickly shattered by the glow of a smartphone, instantly filling our minds with unread messages and external demands before we've even stood up. Centuries ago, the samurai of Japan faced mornings where a lack of focus could be fatal. They recognized that the first hour of the day was a period of high vulnerability, so they engineered a precise code to master their internal state before the sun rose. They called this code Bushido. It wasn't a collection of random chores, but rather a systematic philosophy for building human readiness. It dictated exactly how a warrior should breathe, sit, and move in order to ensure they were never caught off guard. To understand how this works today, we're following Ryu. He is tasked with mastering the 5 specific pillars of the morning code: stillness, breath, movement, strength, and purpose. By completing these steps in order, Ryu isn't just exercising. He is constructing a resilient identity and locking in his mental state before the outside world has a chance to interfere. The process begins with Mokuso, or Pillar 1, stillness. Ryu sits for 5 minutes in absolute silence. No movement, no music, and no digital inputs. Modern neurobiology shows that this practice addresses the morning cortisol spike. By choosing intentional silence, Ryu is manually resetting his nervous system and clearing out residual stress before the day begins. From stillness, Ryu moves to Pillar 2, breath. In the samurai tradition, a warrior was expected to prove they could regulate their own internal physiology before they were trusted to handle a weapon. Ryu uses a technique called box breathing. This diagram shows the rhythm. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold the lungs empty for 4. He repeats this cycle 10 times. This specific rhythm forces the heart rate to drop and drives oxygen to the brain. It moves the body out of a reactive state and into a state of deliberate, concentrated focus. Practicing this daily builds a physiological baseline. When Ryu encounters stress later in the day, his body is already trained to default to this controlled rhythm rather than spiraling into panic. These first 2 pillars ensure that composure isn't left to chance or temperament. They provide a predictable, engineered biological foundation that allows for clarity when external stakes are highest. Ryu then transitions to Pillar 3, movement. He begins a slow, methodical progression, isolating and rotating his neck, shoulders, spine, and hips. This mobility work serves as the awakening of the body. It is a physical signal to every joint and muscle that they are alive and required to be fully present for the work ahead. Once the joints are warm, Ryu shifts into Pillar 4, strength. The slow, rhythmic stretching is replaced by rapid, intense physical exertion. He performs 20 push-ups. He does 20 squats, a 30-second dead hang, and a 45-second plank. He uses only his body weight against gravity, which remains the most accessible resistance tool available. Ryu completes this sequence every single morning, regardless of the room's temperature or his own desire to stay in bed. In this routine, the decision to start is final. There is no morning negotiation with fatigue. Layering intense exertion directly onto mental stillness trains the mind to maintain its focus even as the body begins to burn. By the time Ryu finishes, he has already navigated his first internal conflict of the day, making later external challenges feel secondary. As the sun breaks the horizon, Ryu reaches Pillar 5, purpose. This is the moment where internal preparation meets the outside world. Rather than reacting to a long to-do list, Ryu sets one single behavioral intention for the day, a single word like patience, courage, or growth. This final step provides the target. Mental calm and physical strength are only useful if they are aimed at a singular, intentional purpose. This chart tracks the effort required over time. Week 1 is a shock, and Week 2 demands willpower as the body adapts to 4 a.m. By Week 3, friction fades into ritual. By Week 4, it becomes his identity. Humans do not reliably rise to the level of their temporary motivation. When we are tired or when things go wrong, we fall back to the baseline of our ingrained habits. 25 minutes total, 5 pillars. Tomorrow morning, before the noise of the world reaches you, try this ancient warrior code. See what kind of day you can build